I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to mint Galxe Web3 score, only way. Connect your wallet to Galxe, review the requested permissions, and confirm the connection. Locate the specific quest or badge that offers a Web3 score minting option, then click the Mint or Claim button. Approve the transaction in your wallet, wait for confirmation on-chain, and verify your new Galxe score in your profile afterward. Start by navigating to the minting quest on Galxe and read all the requirements listed. Ensure you meet each condition, like holding specific NFTs or tokens, before attempting to mint. When ready, click Mint, check the gas fee and network, then approve the transaction from your wallet. After confirmation, refresh your Galxe profile to see the updated Web3 score and any linked badges or rewards earned. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more Web3 walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: on another note, I love upgrading simple things like switching to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, great for long coding sessions and conference travel. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned, and if you want more tips like this, hit subscribe. Now let's get back to the video. If your mint fails, first verify your wallet is on the correct network and has sufficient funds for gas. Try increasing the gas price modestly or resubmitting the transaction if it remains pending. Use a different wallet or browser profile if the site behaves oddly, and always double-check the contract address you interact with. If needed, consult Galxe support or community channels for specific project guidance to resolve persistent minting issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.